What's up, guys? Super excited to bring you to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys the week 5 of my funding challenge journey. If you are new to this channel is all about where I document my journey in becoming a profitable trader, and also my journey in becoming a funded trader of about $6,000 account. Now, those that have been following me through this journey would have asked, like, before I do say $9,000, but now it's $6,000. Yeah, I lost my $3,000 account. I lost it. I know why I lost it, and I'm okay with that, because I went aggressive on that account, and why my $6,000 account, I'm going very, very conservative. So maybe the aggressive nature on that account made it to blue. You understand? And I'm okay with it. You understand? I learned my lesson that I'm not going to go in any challenge going aggressive. Any challenge I'm going to get in the nearest future, I'm going to be going in conservatively based on my trading concept. So guys, what I'll be doing right now is my funding challenge journey of becoming a $6,000 profit funded trader. You understand? So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, turn on push notification, because I always will do update you guys with the new content in my YouTube channel. And also, I just created a new Telegram channel where I post my daily trade ideas on what I see on the currency pair I trade, which is the EURUSD. I only trade the EURUSD. So I share my trade ideas on this Telegram channel. I'm going to show you guys the link. All the trades I've taken this week, I'm going to show you guys that I posted it before, after, and before anything that happened in the market. I post my trade idea. This is not a signal group. Now, I don't give signal, but I post my trade idea on a particular currency pair, which is the EURUSD, what I'm anticipating the market to do. You understand? I'm not the founder of the market, so the market might do its thing, but I just share my trade idea. So if you something you would like to join, the link is in the below of this video is below. And also, if you want to know the program I use, is the Fundednext program. The link is also below in this video. So if you check out them on this video, you're going to know more about them. I'm going to still do a video about them, their criteria and everything. They're really doing good, very, very well. So without wasting much of your time, so guys, let's hop into the video. Yeah, so guys, what I saw, actually, I came to daily time frame. I just looked at the trend. You understand? I just looked at what the market is actually doing. So this area, we can see that this currently, what the market is actually doing here is downtrend. So it's downtrend at the moment. So what I told myself was, I'm going to look for the shorting opportunity if the market provides shorting opportunity in my time frame that I'm only trade, which is the 15 minutes. So guys, let's go to the 15 minutes. Sorry if I delete this. Okay. All right, we're in the 15 minutes. So the market opened on Sunday. I'm a Nigerian Forex Trader. You understand? So the market opened on Sunday. So if I mark out where the market opened, which is around here, Sunday. Yep. This is where the week 5 for me opened. You understand? So I only trade the New York session. I don't trade the London session. My strategy is all about market structure and liquidity, and I trade only the New York session. So what I did was the first thing, the OG know that I mark out my Asian range, which because the Asian session brings all about liquidity. So why the London session goes for this liquidity, either of the high of the Asian session or the low of the Asian session. And what the New Year session does is it's either I do the continuation of the trend or reverse of the trend. So this is basically what I do. You understand? So let me mark out my Asian range. The Asian sessions might start from the 1 a.m. GMT plus 1. I'm a Nigerian Forex Trader, and end 7 a.m. GMT plus 1. So if I'm to mark it, so this is where the Asian sessions start from this candle. So if I do 7 a.m., which is on this candle, so this is actually the range of the Asian session. And like I do say in my previous video, that the Asian session has liquidity resting above its high and below its low. So if I'm to write, this is the Asian session range. Sorry, don't need of writing it. So let me, yep, the Asian session high. So that is the Asian session high, which has liquidity on it, and also this is the what, the Asian session low, the Asian session low that has liquidity, Asian session low. So this is the Asian session low, you understand? So now what the market do, the London session, like I said, the London session goes for this what, liquidity. You know, so what happened in this market is the market is actually in a downtrend. So what I did was I used my Fibonacci tool to mark out the high of this movement. I think it was the news that caused this movement last 2 weeks rather. So I mark out the high and the low up to this point. And what we actually know is that the market goes for the what, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, you sell above the 50%, which is the premium level, and if you want to buy, you sell below the what, the 50%, which is the discount level. So currently the market was actually the market was actually in the what, the discount level. So I was saying to myself that let me buy at discount level to at least to the point of what, this 50% before the market can continue is what, its trend. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you guys what really happened and what was the outcome of this my trade idea. So this was where I was actually looking to do what, to short the market if the market comes to that point. It was around, so where is this? It was around this other block here that is resting around the 50% what Fibonacci 2. So that was where I was actually looking to do what, to sell the market if the market comes there during the New Year session. But I was still what, open for the market what presentation. Whatever the market presents to me, that's what I'm going to do. I don't do based on what is in my head. I react to what the market presents. So what I saw during the London session, which opened around here, the New Year session rather, which opened around this region. So when the London session took out the high of the Asian session, you understand, they haven't taken the low, but they actually took out the high. Mind you, the trend was actually what, downtrend. So what I saw was during the New Year session, I was faked out with the what, minor structure. Guys, I'm going to show you something about how to know your trading concept and how to do always improve in your trading concept. When the market opened, I saw that the market actually broke a minor structure here. This was a structure. If you go on the 5 minutes, you see that this was a break of structure here. Let me open the 5 minutes. Sorry. From to go over here. This was a what, you can see that was a break of structure during the London session. That was a break of structure here. So the market broke structure. So I was like, okay, since the market is already breaking structure and moving higher, you understand. So during the New Year session, I also saw that the market broke structure on this same 5 minute again with a body close candle here. It broke structure. So I was actually convinced that the market is about to do what, to head higher with a 2 break of structure. Then I saw a clean order block that was unmitigated. I saw a clean order block that was unmitigated here. That was unmitigated here. Understand? So I set my limit. On that order block to buy the market. I set my limit on that order block, which I placed my limit around here on that 5 minute order block, and I used a 10 pip stop loss. Yeah, I knew why. I think a 10 pip stop loss, 8 pip stop loss. I don't know, but I think it was an 8 pip stop loss or something like that. Yeah, I used an 8 pip stop loss. Then I was targeting 1:3. That's what I go for, at least, to buy to the point of that 50% retracement. You understand? So what actually happened in the market? The market did what? Tapped me into the market, and reacted to my favor. But eventually, use this order block here, and reverse back and stop me out. Guys, I sat down on my trading desk and asked myself what actually caused this thing. Let me show you guys something. Going to the 15-minute time frame, this actually was my trade plan. Everything followed my trading strategy. But going to the 15 minutes, guys, you can bear with me. You can see that actually on the 5 minutes this was a body close, but on the 15 minutes was a wick. We should always do what? Respect our higher time frame. Yes, I'm not saying I don't trade it, I don't do top-down analysis. No, I only focus on the 15-minute time frame, but I had to go down to the 5-minute time frame for this to just check the markets, the structure very clean. But you can see on the 5-minute time frame, it was actually closed with a body candle close, but on the 15 minutes it was a week. It was a weak close. So that alone, that was the reason why the market did reversed back. I think so. I don't know so, but I think so. The market would have continued heading higher, but because they did not close above this high with the body close of candle, they closed with the wick, and they came back and to react a bit in order to continue their downtrend. Definitely they stopped me out. So I lost on Monday with this trade took me out with a 0.5 loss. That was a 0.5 loss for me. I'm going to show you the trade. I'm going to show you that I posted this thing in my Telegram channel before the entry, and it went to my favor, but eventually stopped me out. I wish if they had broken this high here, I would have gone break even, but they didn't. But actually they stopped me out. So it is what it is. That was a loss for me on Monday. So continued on Tuesday. The market opened here on Tuesday. The same scenario. I mark out my Asian high, my Asian range. So it was around this is Tuesday, 1 a.m. GMT plus 1. It was around this candle here. So mark out my Asian high and Asian low. So the Asian session stopped 7 a.m. rather. So that was that was my Asian high and the Asian range. So using this, sorry, let me clone this. So this is my Asian high, and this is my Asian low. So like I said, the Asian low and the Asian high has a liquidity resting above it, and what the London session do is to go for either the high liquidity or the low liquidity. And in this case, the London session went for the low liquidity and continued the overall trend. So I was just observant and waiting for the market to present what it's going to present to me during the New Year session. So guys, you can bear with me that since the market is downtrend, I was only looking for selling opportunity, not buying. So at this point, when the market was breaking the structure, it was around this point, around here. The New Year session starts my time 1 p.m. GMT plus 1. So around here, I saw that the market break structure here. It broke structure here. So I was like, okay, the market is actually breaking structure. So I was breaking structure to the downside. So after that, I was waiting for price to to come back to this. If the price is going to come back to this order block during the New Year session, but it didn't. But it came back around the 10 a.m. GMT plus 1 during the London session. So I wasn't active there. I was just watching the market. So when the New Year session opened, I saw that the market broke structure here again. It broke structure here again. You understand? So that was a break of structure, and I saw that break of structure, and I was saying that, wow, we're really going to go down. You understand? I was just waiting for that to happen. So I was waiting for the New Year session to open, and then finally the New Year session opened around here, around this candle. No, it was around this candle. Yes, this candle here, like you can see, this candle here. This was where the 1 p.m. GMT plus 1. This was where the New Year session candle open. You understand? So, and I saw this order block. I saw this order block, this whole region, this order block. I saw that order block there. So I said to myself, I'm going to set my limit, because it was that order block that led to this break of structure. This order block led to this break of structure. Then I set my limit there using I set my limit using a 10 pip stop loss there. Yeah, I used a 10 pip stop loss. So that was a 10 pip stop loss for me here. I think so. Yeah, I used a 10 pip stop loss. So what actually happened? I go for 1:3. I went for 1:3 in this market. So what actually happened? The market picked me in. the market what tapped me in and eventually do what smashed my TP. So guys, I documented this trade in my Telegram channel before and after I sent the trade. So I'm going to show you guys, and I also going to show you the proof of evidence that I entered this trade. So this was a win for me on Tuesday. So I won this trade, which was a 1.5 gain. You understand? It was a 1.5 gain. So that was that on Tuesday. So fast forwarding to on Wednesday, I came on Wednesday, the same thing. The market is still doing what? Bearish. So when I came on Wednesday, guys, the same pattern that happened on Monday repeated itself what on Wednesday. I'm going to show you guys something. There's something you need to know. You need to be very, very observant and very, very conversant and very, very watchful when something's happening in the market. So guys, but in this case, I was actually deceived. Yes, that's the right word. I was deceived. So guys, I'm going to show you guys what happened. The same scenario. This was on Wednesday. I'm going to mark my Asian high and Asian range. You understand? My Asian range. The market opened around 1. The Asian session was around 1 a.m. 1 a.m. GMT plus 1 to 7 p.m. You understand? So it was around here. It closed. So this was the low. Yep. So this was the Asian session range. So if I clone this, this is the Asian session low. You understand? And this is the Asian session high. So guys, what happened during the London session? The London session did took out the high of the Asian session. After taking out the high, and essentially the market was just dangling. But what then happened, guys? At this region, the market actually did broke this minor structure with a very, very huge bullish candle to the upside. It broke the structure there. So guys, mind you, the range of this this 15-minute structure was is this one. This is the high, this is the high, and this is the low. This is the low. So anything that is happening in between these places, they are minor structures. Guys, I also freaked out. I went on the 5-minute time frame to see a clearer structure there also. I'm going to show you something. I went on the 5-minute time frame to see a clearer structure, and I saw that the market actually broke minor structure here. It broke structure there. So that I marked that as a break of structure for me. You understand? I marked that as a break of structure for me. So after seeing that, then I saw this clean order block that is unmitigated with imbalance resting above it. So I saw that clean order block, guys. Then I did I set my limit and waited for the New York session to open, which was around 1 p.m. and I used a 10 pip stop loss. Yeah, I used a 10 pip stop loss to give the market room. I used a 10 pip stop loss to target 1:3. Guys, what happened? The market stopped me out. The market came, the same scenario. The market came in, tapped me in, reacted to my favor, and did smashed me out. Guys, look at what happened on Monday and look at what happened on Wednesday. I would have waited for the market, this 15-minute candle, to do to close with with a body closed candle before I can confirm that the market is about to head higher. But what happened? I went to use the same minor structure, and what happened? The market did stop me out. I also set a limit here too. This was before. After everything, I set 2 limits on this trade. I set a 0.5 risk. I set a 0.5 risk on the first order block and also 0.5 risk on the second order block, believing that the market to do is about to head higher, and I used a 10 pip stop loss for both sides. So eventually, what happened? The market also did stop me out here. I think there was a news that was released. The news did stop me out. So I lost 1% on this day. I lost 1% on this day. So that was a loss for me for the first one, and was also a loss for me for the second one. So this was 0.5, which was 1% loss. I learned something. I went back to my trading journal and noticed that minor structure does not provide what high probability what's winning for me. So in this case, I'm not going to be doing what using any minor structure, but rather waiting for a major structure, break of structure, either for the high or for the low, with a body close candle. This is a good reason for you to do always journal your trade. Journal them, take a screenshot of them, and ask yourself the reason why you took those trades. So you can see that I already spotted that the reason why I took this loss for these 2 times, for on Monday and on Wednesday, was because of market. I did not wait for market to do close above this high with the body close. So I was faked out with the 5 minute break of structure around here. Definitely the market did stop me out. So that was the lesson learned on Wednesday, which resulted with me with the minus 1% loss. So guys, fast forwarding to on Thursday, which is the last day of the week for me, based on my trading concept. I saw that there is no point of continue the trend up, because the market is actually bearish. So I was just waiting for the market to present itself. So guys, the same scenario, I mark out my Asian session range. This is where the market start from, which is the 1 a.m. GMT +1. So if I mark out the range to 7 a.m. So if I mark out the highs and the lows was here. So let me clone this. So this is our high, and this is our low. So definitely, what did the London session do? It goes for either the high or the low of the Asian session, and you can see in this case it went to the low to take out the liquidity low. So what I was actually doing, I was saying that the market was actually breaking structure to the downside. So eventually it got to this point where the market did break structure. The market broke structure here. So the market broke structure there with a body close. So that Monday and Tuesday loss taught me a lesson to always wait for a body close. So I saw that the market broke structure with a body close here. Then I saw this unmitigated order block here. This unmitigated order block here. This huge order block here. This order block here. So what do? I went to the 5 minutes to refine that order block to get a clean order block. So that 15 minutes order block was very huge for me. So I came to this 5 minutes to just refine that order block to this one. It was this one I used. It was this order block I used. I used that 5 minutes order block there, that one. So that was what I used. So I set my sell limit there and waited for the market to come tap me in, and I used a 10 pip stop loss. Yes, I used a 10 pip stop loss to give the market room, and I'm targeting 1:3. I used a 10 pip stop loss, and what happened there? Sorry a minute. I think I'm very slow today. So I used a 10 pip stop loss. The market did tapped me in and went to my direction, almost close to my TP. I already broke even, and eventually the market reversed back and stopped me out on break even. You can see. So on Thursday was a break even for me. So that was, I'm going to show you guys that I actually took the trade on Thursday was a break even for me. So that was the week for me. On Monday I lost 0.5. On Tuesday I won 1.5. On Wednesday I lost 1%, and on Thursday I did went on break even. So this week was actually a break even week for me. No win, no gain. If you check the calculation, I lost on Monday, which was minus 0.5, won on Tuesday, which is 1.5, remove 1.5 from 0.5, left 1%. On Wednesday I lost 1%, then that 1% is scrapped off. Then on Thursday I went on break even. So that was no win for me on for this week, and no loss for me for this week. But in total, my current account drawdown is actually minus 1.65%. Guys, this journey in becoming a funded trader is really not an easy one, but I can see that I'm actually being disciplined and following my trade plan to some extent. So there's a difference between me when I started and me now. I'm seeing a great change in my trading concept and in my trading style, and I love it. It's not that easy to stick to your trade plan. It's not easy, but I'm trying to force myself to stick to it, and I know that I'm going to overcome it one day. And I'm doing it, like I'm sharing it with you guys on the YouTube and also sharing it on my Telegram channel. So if you really want to join my Telegram channel, use the link below. The link will be below this video. And also, if you want to know the program I use, the link is also in this video. Fundednext, their name is called Fundednext, a very good program. So guys, one of my subscriber in my Telegram channel asked me, boss, I think it was a message, boss, why is it that your trade this week was losing? And I told him one question: losses are inevitable. There is no trading concept, trading style that does not come with losses. It depends on you as a trader on how you take the losses. He asked me that question I think it was on Tuesday, and I told him that the week is still fresh. We have not ended. Like you can see, I ended the week with with no loss, with no gain. So that is it's all about discipline. The thing the professional traders are telling us, we should be disciplined and stick to our trade plan. It's really not easy, but it's worth it. So guys, I'm actually sharing my journey with you. I lost my $3,000 account. I've learned my lesson. So I'm only trading the $6,000 Fundednext account, which I'm currently on minus 1.65. I'm going to show you guys my trading dashboard, the back end dashboard, that I'm actually on minus 1.65. Guys, the big sources I've seen in my trading journey in this funny challenge is that I've actually kept account for 1 month, which I've not done in my entire trading career. And this is a big win for me. And this is the 2nd month of it. September just started, and I hope to pass this account, you understand, in a good way. If I fail this account, but if I fail it fully in my trading plan, it's a big win for me. So guys, I want you out there also struggling to become a profitable trader to keep grinding. Keep track record, your journal, keep tracking your trades, because that will really help you, because it's really helping me. I've already spotted something I'm not going to do in the future market, which I just told you guys. So guys, if you love this content, if you love my channel, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on post notification in order to get notified when I post new content like this every week, for us to grow together. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my trading dashboard before the end of this video, and so you can see that whatever I'm doing here is actually transparent. My losses, I share it. My win, I share it. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. You can see I'm going to post the trades on everything I posted on my Telegram channel on this video, so you can see that I actually document my trading journey there also. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I thank you guys for this love and messages, and I really appreciate it, guys. I'm going to catch you up in the next video. Peace out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna